Okay, so we are getting ready to turn in the final drafts of our annotated bibliographies, which means that we need to do a quick recap as to what correct MLA format is. All of your final drafts should be in beautiful MLA format. So I'm in my Pages app, and the first thing I've done is created my MLA header with the student name, the teacher name, English 1, whatever block you're in, and then the date. And then going to go down another line, click on the little paintbrush in the corner, and center my text. And then I'm going to write, my title, which can be Annotated Bibliography Final Draft. I don't really care. I'm then going to enter down 2 more times and center or go back to left align. And then this is where my first citation is going to be. So here is where things get a little tricky. First of all, we have to remember that this needs to be a couple of things. So go ahead and highlight your whole text, and we need to change the font to Times New Roman. We also need to change the font size to 12. And then we need to adjust our line spacing so that it's double spaced. Okay, and we'll fix this in a second. So now that we have done that, okay, we can fix whatever this looked like. It's a little crazy. Okay. The thing about citations is that you indent them a little bit differently. So my first line is actually going to stay exactly where it is. I'm going to go down to my second line, and this is the one that we're going to mess with. So I believe that your guys's has something like this. So if you press that, which did not work. How do I undo? There we go. Okay. I thought you guys... Hold on. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I just did. Essentially, what you're going to do is on your keyboard, you will press the delete button. Press delete until it goes back to the other line, like that. And then you're going to press enter. And then you'll be able to press tab. You'll then go down to the next line, and you'll repeat that process. Press your delete key, press enter, press tab. Boom. You're then going to bring up your citation, and because this, or your explanation, and you're going to press tab over, and that's it. You will then repeat this process for your next citation. This one was short, so luckily I didn't have to do that. The most important piece of this is that your final draft needs to be in alphabetical order. So my second citation starts with D, DeGeneres, which means I need to copy the whole thing and put that first. Okay, because D comes before H. Now we're in alphabetical order. Perfect. The last piece that we're missing is our last name and page number in the upper right-hand corner. So you're going to press the 3 little dots in the right-hand corner. Then you'll press Document Setup, type in your last name, hold your finger down so it says page number. Type in your last name again. And then we need to change this to be the correct font, Times New Roman. And it's already size 12. And then we're done. And this should be in perfect MLA format. Alphabetical, size 12, Times New Roman, double spaced, with correct indentation for each citation. You got this.